Hello there, YouTube. I'm working on my warm morning coal furnace, and I made a few changes to it. I used the 3,000 degree fire brick mortar paste, and I coated the fire bricks, both the top and the bottom sections, with it, as well as the ones on the sides, the corner fire bricks. I also lined the inside and outside of most of them with carbon fiber. It's rated at 3,000 degrees. And I hit as many sides as I could. I missed these two sides over here on the bottom and on the top. They both have the sleeves, but I have to reorder some. So, and I painted the bottom grates with high temperature, high temperature paint. I didn't have to, but I figure I might make it look better. Don't know if I can get you to see this, but this, hold on. Okay, so this is the top portion. I painted it with high temperature paint, silver, and cleaned it up pretty well. So, and that's ceramic, kale wood, I think it's called. It's like ceramic material that holds very high temperature, and yeah, it's called kale wool. So that was originally just a piece of metal, but I figure I'd add more to it. So I know that it's a little bit over the top, everything that it involved, but the bottom painted with high temperature paint, and also too, don't know if I can show you here, the bottom has also been cleaned out. I plan to maybe put some of that carbon fiber, what do you call it, square on the bottom, just to keep the heat from transferring to the bottom of the heater. So like I'll show you again, I finish putting this print. This again is made with high temperature, and put a Chinese fire dragon. But anyways, I'm working on this slowly, and I changed this little deal over here to the one that's supposed to be the right size. So anyhow, the inside was the part that took the longest, but I'm just about finished with it. So for all intents and purposes, this is the end of this video. That's just a piece of blanket I put on top to keep idiots from putting stuff on there. So anyways, this is it. I plan to basically, because where I'm at, wood is more plentiful. Coal is very hard to get a hold of. So even though this is more than fit for coal, I may just possibly just use this for wood. I plan to get chicken wire and put it across the bottom over that to hold the wood and keep the pieces from just dropping down at the bottom. But because I seen somebody put a plate on it, but I figure if I put small chicken wire on the bottom, not the regular chicken wire, the one that comes smaller, put a square piece on the bottom, you wouldn't really block the air coming through it. So that's why I'm choosing that, because I want the air actually to come up and help burn the wood. So that wouldn't be a problem. But anyhow, this is my warm morning stove, and for all intents and purposes, it's finished. So you can see it says warm morning, and it's a model 617A. But yeah, it's finished. Let me give you because it's too close. Let me give you a more bird's eye view. And take this off. Yeah, so this is my stove. My warm morning. And I'm happy with the changes it's made. And hopefully someday I can use it for wood, because right now I got my wood stove and it's going like a bat out of hell, warming up the whole house. I also have my Siegler, which I use on days, and it's connected to the same flue. I use my Siegler on days where I can't get the wood, or the wood is too much moisture and it's not burning good, and I don't really want to spend hours trying to fire up the stove. I also have kerosene heaters to help. So I got all kinds of heats available to help me weather through the winter. In case one is not available, I always have the other one. The only one I didn't have was the coal stove. But I just found out recently that coal is not easy to get. Tractor Supply is out of it. Every place I checked is out of it. It's reasonably priced on Tractor Supply. It's like $9.99. But you can't get a hold of it. It's sold out. So that might be a problem. So that's why I'm thinking of just going to wood, because wood has never been a problem. So that's it. Talk to y'all later. Bye.